Hey everyone, this is Kevin with NerdPilots here, and today we're going to be looking at our checkout flow, which is basically how people are signing up. So if you've seen our first couple of videos, what we had up here was something very similar, although we've changed some of the text. But basically, after somebody enters in their email, which is a way for us to capture their email, even if they don't sign up, but they just enter their email, there'd be another screen where they can pick a plan, and then there'd be like another screen, which is kind of like a slide of where they can enter in their credit card information and sign up. The issue with that is if they selected one of the plans that we have on the very bottom here, they basically have to, it would just scroll them up and they'd have to go through the process, which was kind of a little redundant and unnecessary. So what we have up top here is when somebody enters in their email. Here's our email as an example, and they select next. Then they can select a plan, and then there would be a pop-up. And what this allows us to do is kind of have some more information. We can have some of the things that we offer for this plan, and then some contact information. And then with this form, we're kind of just looking for like the bare minimum of things that we need. We never want to have an extra form field that's not completely necessary, because we want to always make the sign up as easy as possible. That always increases conversions. So I think we have it as simple as possible here. We have the sign up, no contracts, cancel anytime, powered by Stripe. We could probably do a little bit more to this, and I'm sure this will be improved. In fact, I think we'll probably get a whole website redesign in the next month or two, because we're kind of starting to figure out more of how we're going to be setting up this company and kind of figuring out what our actual, how we're working out the plans and everything out. So we'll probably do a whole new website redesign, but I think for now, this is really good to kind of get us to there. So we have this here, and when people sign up, then they get to the back end, and the back end allows them to submit tasks where developers can take those tasks and start working on them right away. And the good thing about this, that pop-up, is when somebody also selects a plan from down here, this pop-up also applies, so or pops up. So this allows somebody that's clicking on one of these plans to not have to kind of go through that whole process again, which isn't that big of a process, but it does actually change conversion rates significantly. So it's little things like that that we're improving on. But yeah, I think eventually we'll probably just redesign this whole website. But I think for now it's fine. So yeah, that's how we've improved the checkout flow right now. I think there's definitely a lot more improving that we need to do on this website. But kind of what we're just doing is kind of learning, the direction that we want to take this company in. So it's kind of hard to do the website design first before we kind of figure that out. So I think within the next, 2 or 3 months, we'll figure out the direction of, how we want the actual plans to be, and what the actual features and everything of our company, and what we're really providing our customers. So, we have an idea and it's working out well, but I think when we define that a lot more, we'll be able to really take that and utilize it so that we can create a website where it actually just, it kind of shows that off a lot more than what we're currently doing. So yeah, that's how we've improved the checkout flow so far. Like I said, we have a long ways to go, but that's it. So thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you have any comments, and I'm sure it's annoying to hear it all the time, but if you haven't already, please do subscribe. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.